Good morning, you find me back at the wall. Kim's just arrived and the wall's taken a somewhat avian turn this morning. There's the Kim photo bombing a YouTube video. Good on you, girl. So today Jon's continuing to paint the critters in. There's more to go in, many more. And as you saw yesterday, as they go in, they give the picture depth and they bring it to life. So I'm going to keep out of his way because it's microscopically fine work and he doesn't need an idiot like me talking to him. So I just thought I'd say hello, tell you we're here, and we'll pop back later and have a chat with Jon. Bye. Well, so as you can see, the BBC have turned up to film Jon. His fame spreads far and wide. So it's not just me filming him today. Hello again.
Hi Gabriel.
Thank you. And welcome again to an end of the day chat with Jon Mitchell, who has been really busy today. I believe you were on television earlier.
Yes, BBC Points West came down and did a little bit of filming, and I think it's going out tonight at 6:30, something like that. So
45 minutes.
Yeah,
Have to rush. But what a day. I mean, birds, cats, and that little thing down there poking his head out. What is he? Is he I'm no good at animals, guys. It's a little cute thing, and it's just so cute. Look at the picture.
It's a water vole.
It's a water vole.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going to go there. It's a water vole. Thank you very much.
Otters over there.
Otters over there. Voles over there. Otters, voles. Otters, voles. It's amazing. I mean, the birds in the sky. I mean, it just gives. It's just coming alive more every day. And tomorrow sees the horse and cart going in, doesn't it?
That's right. I'm going to do the little horse and cart pulling peat from the moors towards Glastonbury.
And I'll be telling the story of that because there's a story behind that going in. But basically tomorrow will be your last day painting here, you think?
Pretty much, yeah. I have got to do some more work on the cattle because that was a sort of a middle stage. And even though they look realistic, I want them to have more expression, a little bit more texture in the fur and stuff.
Yeah. Fantastic. Well, I'm not going to keep you because it's been a long day. You've had a lot happening today, and you have painted a fantastic cat. I just want to say thank you because
A cat.
A cat.
It's your cat.
It's my way, exactly. I just wanted to say thank you so much because the cat is going to Wales soon to live with my mum, so he will stay here in Glastonbury with me as well. It's fantastic. It's brilliant. It's an honour to have my cat painted by you, so and I thank you for that. But for now, I'd just like to say thank you for everybody for watching again. Don't forget, come back tomorrow, grand finale, champagne corks, bottles popping, balloons aren't part of it.
No.
So tomorrow is the end, it's the last day. If you do want to come and see Jon painting, it's the last day tomorrow. And then that's it. It's on the tour and it's here for you to come and look at. Thanks, Jon.
You're welcome, Gabriel.
Thanks, buddy. Hello everybody, I'm sat with Tiggs, my cat, who Jon's painted on the wall today. We've painted Tiggs here because he's going to be going to Wales soon to keep my mum company, who lost her cat earlier on this year. So it's going to be nice that Tiggs will stay here by the wall even once he's gone off to live with my mum in Wales. Bye Tiggs.